Picked up an iPad about a week ago for a Christmas present from the Apple Store at Rockingham Park in Salem, New Hampshire. Christmas morning rolls around a few hours ago, and my parents go to open it. Packaging and everything was fine. Again, this is brand new iPad 2, the 16 gigabyte Wi-Fi only version. Not refurbished or anything like that. Go to turn it on, and this is what came up. Red. We went through the entire setup screen, so this will boot up like it normally should. But beyond the red, everything is insanely distorted. It's all blue. It's flickering. Actually just shut off there, because it looks even worse on some of the other screens here. So unlock, and yeah, this is it. It just looks terrible. If I go over to the search screen, you can see it's just blood red. This is brand new. Just took the plastic off of it.